English legal shorthand dictation 100 words per minute. Ready? Start. Pursuant to the order passed by the Division Bench of this Court on 4th February 2022, the Respondent Corporation conveyed the Second Departmental Promotion Committee (DPC Second) on 12th May 2022. The DPC Second also did not recommend the petitioner for promotion to the post of law officer. This was communicated to the petitioner by communication dated 13th May 2022. By letter dated 17th May 2022, the municipal corporation informed the petitioner that her request for appointment as in charge law officer cannot be accepted. Pursuant to the order dated 17th March 2023, the Review Departmental Promotion Committee (Review capital DPC) was convened on 5th June 2023 to fill up the post of law officer. The said review DPC considered the minutes of the DPC first and DPC second and comparative table whereby the eligibility of the petitioner and respondent number 4 as Mr. Anant by then had reached the age of superannuation. The review DPC observed that considering many inquiry cases against the petitioner throughout her service career and punishments imposed, the petitioner was not suitable for promotion to the post of law officer and did not recommend the name of the petitioner for the post of law office. A resolution was passed on 14th July 2023 by the administrator of the municipal corporation. The appointment of respondent number 4 as a law officer was continued. The petitioner, aggrieved by the action of the respondents in denying promotion to the petitioner to the post of law officer, has approached this court by way of the present petition, praying for a direction to quash and set aside a resolution number 413 dated 14th July 2023 and office order numbers capital MGC /F/243 and MPS /8129265, through which respondent number 4 was appointed as the law officer with effect from 31st December 2021. The petitioners has also prayed for a direction to the respondent corporation to appoint the petitioner as the law officer after constituting a fresh departmental promotion committee in accordance with the law and in a time-bound manner. Additionally, the petitioner seeks a direction to grant back wages to the petitioner with a pay grade for the post of law officer which effect from 31st December 2021. A reply affidavit has been filed by the Chief Personnel Officer of the Municipal Corporation to oppose the petition. We have heard Mr. Mihir Desai, learned senior advocate for the petitioner, Mr. A.V. Bukhari, learned senior advocate for the respondent municipal corporation, and Mr. Milind Sate, learned senior advocate for respondent number 4. Mr. Desai, in support of the petition, contended briefly as follows. The promotion to the post of law officer is structured by the rules which have been framed and sanctioned by the state government and published in the official gazette and which have the statutory force of law. These rules only provides for promotion on a seniority basis. Stop. These rules will have to be read with the handbook issued by the General Administration Department of the Municipal Corporation, which provides for the methodology for the Departmental Promotion Committee. Stop. As per this handbook, only two factors are to be considered: seniority and the confidential reports. Stop. The petitioner is admittedly the most senior in the cadre of joint law officer, and her confidential reports for the last 5 years are satisfactory with no adverse remarks. Stop. Clearly, therefore, the petitioner is more meritorious and senior than respondent number 4. Stop. The respondent corporation is bringing up past punishments imposed on the petitioner from 10 to 24 years ago, which shows bias and malafide on the part of the respondent corporation. Stop. On the other hand, the punishment imposed on respondent number 4, which is a recent one from the year 2019, is ignored. Stop. Once the petitioner has been promoted to the post of deputy law officer and joint law officer, the earlier punishments imposed on the petitioner would be washed out and could not have been considered against the petitioner. Stop. Such conduct of the respondent corporation, taking into consideration the earlier punishments imposed on the petitioner to attribute the issue of integrity, is nothing but an arbitrary action to remove her from consideration for the post of law officer. The orders passed by 2 division benches of this court clearly show that malafide action of the respondent corporation, and therefore the denial of promotion to the petitioner, which is petitioner's right, is based on irrelevant material. Stop.